Hello all, my name is Sakil Ansari and I am a data scientist. So this is the first video of playlist Twitter analysis. So in this video, I am going to explain how we can extract data from the Twitter based on hashtag. So our output, so final output look like this. You can see here, our final output look like this. So we'll get tweet text timestamp, username, and user ID. When we give any hashtag, like suppose hashtag data like that. So, so here basically I am using one library called Tweety. So first of all, we need to install Tweety library. So we need to install pip install Tweety. So if you want to read more about Tweety, then you can follow this documentation, official documentation of Tweety, and I will put this link in the description of my video. And if you want to read more about Tweety, then I found this blog very good, so you can also read this blog, and I will also keep this blog in the description of my video. So let's start. So I have already installed pip, sorry, Tweety in my system. So now here I am importing necessary libraries like import Tweety, pandas, and NumPy. And here, yeah, one important thing is here in the next step. So, so to extract data from the Twitter based on hashtag, we require this thing, like these keys: consumer key, consumer secret key, access token key, and access token secret key. So basically, you can get this from the from your Twitter account. If you don't have Twitter account, then you need to create your Twitter account, and you can take this key from your Twitter account. I will make a separate video for getting this key from Twitter, but in this video, I am not going to explain that part. So here you can see here, I have kept this key like consumer key in X variable, consumer secret in Y, access token in Z, and access token secret in A, because these are private keys, so I haven't shown in this particular video because we don't need to share our credential to any other. So I have kept these credentials in this variable. Okay, so I am executing this. Yeah, so now after getting this key, there is another step: authenticate to Twitter. So you can see here I am using this OAuth handler, and I'm passing consumer key and consumer secret in the same way. AU out dot set access token and access token secret I'm passing it. Now I'm creating a API object from Tweety. So you can see here API Tweety.api out. Now this is the part for authenticate to Twitter and creating API. Now I want in the beginning I have showed like I'm expecting tweet text, timestamp, username, and user ID. So I have created here the list, one list of the timestamp, tweet text, username, and user ID. And here, so here I have giving like so here I am just taking the input, like suppose for like so I am passing hashtag data science. So you can pass anything here. So I'm passing hashtag data science. Now in other thing I am taking the input like how many tweets you want, like how many the same tweet account you want, like 10, 20, 100, 200. So there is no limit. So I am just for simplicity I am giving 5. So yeah, so now here is I have written one for loop. Okay, so see here in for loop, so I am iterating through tweety dot cursor, and there is a API dot search tweets, and here This is a query and taking the hashtag phrase and language is English. And there are different mode like tweet mode have extended and another one is compared. You can see here. Okay. So here is two mode is there. So one is compatibility mode and other one is extended mode. So I have used extended mode. And if you want to read more about this tweet mode, then you can follow this tutorial. You can understand easily. So now see here and other thing, yes. So here I there is a like one items a class where you can pass your tweet count, like how many tweets you want. So that's why I have given a variable here, and we are passing this variable in item. Okay. Now other thing is see here. So if you see here, so I am taking one variable time stamp one, and I am calling this tweet dot created at. So if you uh, give like created at, then it will give the time stamp, and then after I am appending this time stamp one to our list I have created here. So in the same way, if you want text, then you can use tweet full text. If you want like username, then you can use screen, yes, screen underscore name, user dot screen underscore name. And if you want Twitter ID, then you can use tweet dot ID. Okay, so this is the way. So yeah, so you want to understand how you can know, like how we can know which attribute we want to use. So for that, you can simply check here. Okay, if you print to one, click, okay, print with, yeah. So now see here. So this is created at. So this is our time stamp. So I have used here created at. Another thing, so user ID. If you see here, yeah, this is a tweet ID. So you can see a tweet ID. Yes, this is a tweet ID and full text. So this is a tweet. So full text. So I have used here full text. Okay, so there must be somewhere screen underscore name. Okay, there must be. So yeah, so based on this you can extract according to your requirement. So you can extract followers, followers count. So these many things you can extract by seeing this JSON. Okay, now you can see here when I push yes. So you can see here I'm getting tweet text, timestamp, username, and user ID. And yeah, so the same thing I have performed by creating a function. So here I have created one function called def called search underscore hashtag one, and where I am passing two arguments. One is hashtag phrase and other one is research tweet count u1. So and I have written the same concept in this function as well. So here I am passing, you can see here, yes, here the number of recently with variable like parameter I am passing here. Okay, and here I am returning this returns. It's like this data frame. Okay, so and here I am passing, suppose, yeah, so I am passing hashtag data science and the number of tweets count 10. So from here, so yeah, so you can see here tweet text, timestamp, username, user ID. Now you can save this data and you can perform further analysis. So and now see here how I am getting this data frame. So I will show you. from here. So you can see here. Okay, so I have three lists, right? I have one is stand, other one is tweet text, and other one is username, and another one is user ID. So I have created a three data frame, four data frame. Okay, like how many? Let's say one, two, three, four data frame. So you can see a data two. So this is the data frame for stand. This is the data frame for tweet text, and this is the data frame for username. And I'm concatenating this data one and data two in another data frame, data four. In the same way, I'm concatenating data four and data three. Okay, and here I am creating another data frame, user ID, and I'm concatenating with data 7. So in this way, I am getting the final data frame, data 6. So and so this is about this video, and in the next video I will be discussing how we can extract data based on Twitter ID. So here we are extracting data based on hashtag. In the next video, if we have list of tweet ID, then how can we extract data from tweet ID? Yes, and thank you for watching video and happy learning.